Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. This is Chef Vicky Ratnani and we are here to give you 200 Tiffin recipes for 200 school days by India's most favorite chefs. So today's recipe is toasted oats, nuts and jam balls. Now this recipe is fairly simple, tasty and it's going to keep your child in full attention in school. So let me show you how to create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So for our oats and jam balls, let's first add some lovely mixed fruit jam. Now the Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam gives a real taste of fruits, a really fruity taste, and you don't need any more sugar into this recipe. So we have some olive oil. Add a little bit of olive oil in this, and then we just whisk our jam up. Next, some really nice puree of dates into our mixture. Next, we add in the oats, which have been pre-toasted, and then we mix some chopped mixed nuts to this. Next, we simply fold the entire mixture together until it resembles a mass. The nuttiness, the sweetness and the oats tend a really nice flavor to each other. Now we're just going to literally mix these together. Once this mixture comes together, it's time to shape them into nice balls. So literally a little bit of oil in your hand, some of this mixture, mix it up, lovely. Now you could also make these balls in advance and keep them refrigerated or stored in an airtight container at least for a few days without a problem. So now our balls are ready and it's time to assemble hamara tiffin. So let's assemble our tiffin. So we've added a nice chutney sandwich along with some kiwi fruit, and then finally our oat and jam balls inside. So I hope you enjoyed this lovely recipe and I hope Kissan Tiffin Timetable has really helped you solve all your tiffin worries. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like the videos, share the videos with all your friends ताकि उनको भी पता चले कि हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन कैसे बनता है.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.